Hey everybody, it's Natasha with the Food Factor. It may be cold outside, but this potato corn chowder will warm you up. Let's get to it. Okay, so now I'm going to melt the butter on low heat. Now we're going to add the celery and we're going to let this cook until it softens, so probably about 10 minutes. Okay, now we're going to add the potatoes. Our celery has gotten softened, and now we're going to add 2 cups of corn. And we're going to add 4 cups of chicken broth, and we're using the less sodium chicken broth. We're going to bring this to a boil, and then we're going to reduce the heat and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Okay, we're going to puree in the blender the remaining 2 cups of corn. And we're going to add our milk. Put the top on and puree. Got the puree done, and now we're going to add the puree. And the black pepper. And then we're just going to stir this and let this simmer until it thickens.